There's something called straw manning somebody or straw personing somebody. I've never heard straw womaning somebody, but I suppose that's possible. And to straw man or straw person somebody is basically to present their views in the sort of a most simplistic way or an overly simplistic way that makes their views look pretty ridiculous. So, yeah. So it's not good to straw man or straw person somebody. If you're going to discuss somebody's views or a view, you want to employ what's called the principle of charity and be charitable and try to help somebody figure out what's the best version of their view possible. So how can you avoid straw manning somebody? Basically, probably this. You can talk to people who actually hold that view and ask them, is this your view? If you present some very simplistic, easily refutable version of that view, they will likely respond, oh, that's not our view, you misunderstand, you are trying to straw man us, straw person us. And they will hopefully tell you a better version of their view. Now, this works if you're talking to people who actually know what they're talking about, and so you want to find people who really know what they're talking about. Find people who are really knowledgeable about that sort of view, people who are very informed, etc., etc. So straw manning people, straw personing people is bad. There's the principle of charity, and the principle of charity involves helping people try to find better versions of their views, the strongest versions of their views, and these two things can go together. All right, I hope these are helpful. I didn't give any examples, but there are lots of examples where people are straw-manned about this and that. And there are lots of examples where people are not charitable and they don't try to help others find better versions of their own views. And that's not good because the point of discussing issues really should be to better understand things, improve our knowledge of various views of other people and what they think and why they think that, so that we can figure out, well, who's likely correct here? You, me, nobody, somebody else? We don't know what to think about it, so we should suspend judgment for a while. And all that works out better when we don't straw man people and when we employ the principle of charity.